Hi everyone, do you like Vietnamese fresh spring roll? I have got a lot of requests asking me to show fresh spring roll or gỏi cuốn recipe. Today, Vietnam Cuisine with me would like to show with you how to make them. This dish takes 2 or 3 hours to make, thus we have them for special occasions or over the weekend only, not as a daily meal. There are two parts of making spring rolls. Wrap the rolls. Your rolls are good based on how fresh of your ingredient. And make the sauce. The sauce is the combination between hoisin sauce, peanut butter, garlic that decide the taste of your roll. Let's try. We usually use the bacon for fresh spring roll because it's not too meaty and not too fatty. So if you put only meat, it will be very dry. And for the bacon, boil is about 15 to 20 minutes. To keep the bacon white for a long time, we sink it into the water bowl. The same with the shrimp, but we put the shrimp into the ice water bowl to keep the shrimp crunchy. Yeah, making the sauce is very important because it decides the taste of your rolls. The first of all, we need to do to roast the peanut. I add in some salt. The peanut will be roast faster and not to be overdone. Pour in 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. Add in the chopped purple onion and stir it. And now you have to use a low temperature and stir it continuously until it becomes yellow and crispy. When it's completely yellow, take it out to the separate bowl. Use the same pot to stir the garlic until it's slightly yellow. And then you add in the hoisin sauce. Some people they use the black bean and then they grind it to make the sauce. But I think the hoisin sauce, the already made, it is quite good already and can save the time. And after add the hoisin sauce, remember lower the temperature, and then add in about 200 milliliters of water, and add in about 5 teaspoons of peanut butter.
Yeah, and add in some butter.
And then add in 2 teaspoons of sugar and very little of sauce, and then stir this again. Stir it until it's become a kind of like it's like the soup. Yeah, it's like the pumpkin soup. Yeah, and taste it to see if you put extra sugar or extra sauce. Yeah, put the sauce on the small cup or small bowl. Yeah, it looks like the pumpkin soup, but it's in black. And then add in the roasted peanuts and some fried onion and chopped chili. Peel the prawn. I use about 20 prawn for 4 people. And cut the prawn to half. Yeah, that is easy to roll. Soak the rice paper with water. There are 2 kinds of rice paper. The one that they soft already and you don't have to add the water in. But I prefer the one that's dry. That's I can soak with the water and it's easier to wrap. So I add in some lettuce, Thai basil, bean sprout, and vermicelli. Sometimes I add in some fish meat, but for some foreigner, the fish meat is too fishy. And when you roll it, you keep your finger strong and roll it tight. If it's too loose, it doesn't look nice and easy to break. Oh, I forgot the chive. So the next one I put the chive. Soak the waters again. So remember the letter Thai basil, bean sprout, and vermicelli. Now I add in the chive. And for the chive leaf, you can use if you get cough. You chew it with a little bit salt, and it go through your throat, and it's have to prevent or have to kill the cough. Yeah, and now dip in the sauce.